all these things. Share the ebano. Inti assembly nyina no se me bɔ ne tofa na me dwudwam ema so amefo atiase a ɛyɛ party mpanifo a ɔmo na ɔmo kyekere MPP wa santimemu a ɔmo de ɔmo ye mpanifo a ɔmo nim de ɔmo atena party no mache ɔmo ba party na nipa bebre mamu no ɔmo se ende ɔmo de abosobɔde kɛse ama ɛyɛ napo adentra napo ne yemu ye napo oye nipa bi a odi nipa enimu a ɔte n'anim nti ɔka obi aba no ho napo aboa party form wa santimemu eba sebio ɔmo apɔmuden ene nyoma kitikiti bi ebehi ɔmo se napo etunu ho akyɛ ama wate n'anim akyɛ so ɔyɛ politician a ɔmo betumi de ɔmo wura ahyɛ ne mu ɔyɛ nipa bi a ɔka no korɛ a ɛyɛ asanteman hu na ɛyɛ enigye soronko eba ɔmo akomem nti ɔmo MPP form penifo ɔmo asantememu no ende ɔmo akɔsra napo ɛwɔ Asante region ɛyɛ ne office ɛde ɛyɛ edin soronko a emu ɛwerɛm ɛdɛ ɛde ato na poto sɛ wei ɛne yɛ dɔba na yɛn nyinaa no yɛmbɔ ne din sɛ obi dumbie. That means sɛ ɛte sɛ obi afro na ɔde Titus sardine ato nsɛm sɛ gye na fa kɔbɔ dɔko no so ɛne ne yɛfrɛ no obi dumbie na ɛsɛ wadomo ɛte sɛ kɔmedew na sɛ bi omfantini bɛma bi afro sɛ esi bra na ɛkɔ he ɔso mankasa me todokun na waka say esi boewu nsem na all the Titus sardine ato nsem na saa nipa no oye obi dumbie waboawo because anko anfo saa Titus sardine na mawa anka bema kwase ampanyi je wo no kodae enti saa edin na omudi amano no eye din a sebio uhwemu a omo se ono ene nipa bi a obetumi adom MPP e de MPP aba power every say omo gidi say Mahamudu Bawumia bese yi no we are santefo mpanifo party mu ekukudam omo amatena party mu ache omo te party na se omo na ende omo de edin kase emu ohwere mu ode emu odin mu pi e de atoba napo say your friend obi dumbie intete say sebio wo ye nipa bi akomede wo a wonam a sebio ye mfantini ba ana se menka no say wo ya santini ba ekuecha komede wo sebio wankasa person ka akoya fufuo bi di na usika ekuta no etumi to banche ne bode nko a ene asantifon toes bia miensa na de na se be freso obi dum bia wakodwa so wakodi dwa wanya onwoma na be ma bia santini be ma e friend na asai afrew sa abena nsuo bra ekuacha bra na wonam he ewie ketekete na sebio mfifre ti wusei na ka so bra na say media me ko di dwa kakra wankasa wudim se o polythene bag na kuta no enam nim eye banche ene eye intos na ado kakra ene eye bode na gum unya nam anka wudi bedi sa afufuo no adwendwene da wo so o jare mu ewia boma o jare mu enane ubi odi fam ni activator na enane ama enfifre to kwanchi empobo a wo hye no sebie mu ayehye wankasa wo hye eye fruit of the loom pants wo aye hyehyehye wase wo title wo brazia ekirate ema waso utum se enkoyie na sa na ase we ka che se ene eye kuacha je eye apatre ja apatre bag ba ko da fa ko hye fridge mu ana fa ko bo bibi so sa ba ma no oye obi dumbie wabedom enti sa na MPP fo mo asantimemu omo hu napo omo hu ni se oye obi dumbie efisa waboa ama sebio be ma bi ankohia omo ankofo omo ankoyisu omo ankose omo ankonyem omo enti oba no behu sa na said say oye obi dumbie that is what they mean de omo kano no enti napo yo mo bibia na ede na branch say asantefo omo party num eye MPP fo agina tum ama ne din ehu ne nyoma pa oye ba omi aka se ompe no na ope hwan Mahamudu Bawumia pewan obi edumbie odomo esa boawo wadomo obi dumbie we are santefo na de amano all because omo anticipate omo believe omo ogidie say Bawumia besa de na ko efisekufu ade Bawumia ko twice yada so ginam yenwie ye still ye gina MPP so mo bodam wonye say mo afu ye be jam mama ma ye dem abo power adentira and aban solve problem nti ye remfimo na ye mamombra power kwasiafo mun ma dear friend power now ma menche Ghana for the ejinem ebe abe biom ene MPP for ko Bawumia ho munnim yo MPP for ko Bawumia ho na dia ya wo party mu say yakọ elections na party mu nipa bi epeso mo kire say I just say ye mu nipa ni bi ejimi ade a ya ne so obekọ election na yesisiwu na nipa osisiwu wie no esa to ayampia ye kasa ayampia wote ase odi watam sie o twetwewo sa nipa no deliberately insulting you without using plain language. It hurts. It's painful. Because you see, when you are in a political party and you go into a contest and you lose, people say things. It takes matured minds, honest people to say, you know what, upon all the things that people have said about me, I will still, at the end of the day, support the party, sit back and allow those who win or who won do what? Run the party to make us successful as a political party. Now, when after elections, now people are still doing what they were doing people keep doing what they were doing during the campaign, then it means there are people in the party who are not ready to put the party together, who are not ready to reorganize the party, who are not ready to accept everybody's ideas to build a party. Now, Baumia ya idea been there, and it's quite interesting. Now, before I may say no, go back to Napo Asemono and the Mashala na meye madiebi. Be de mokwa na me de moaba. Because I want you people to understand what I'm doing. Now me kind of asem. A political party chairman ekasa, then it means party na ye timu no emu nipa nyina position no. Sanda me no ka say asiedun ketia pia bontene na omeki statement bia 99.9% of people in Ghana and around the world, they see it, they will consider it as the position of the NPP as a political party. Sende, Fifi Kweti, the General Secretary, or make a statement to be about the party in public. Not say a mini statement now kana, then automatically it means that is the position of the party. Now, a party like the NPP now, their only national chairman, your friend Salakau, no, we're making some straightforward pronouncement. The position of the party leadership. And Wamagana for say Mahamudu Baumia NTS say the NPP as a political party, their position on a running mate, a position that they don't want to move away from. In fact, Salakau, Tama all can a running mate as no. In fact, or the Jenna back here, or the evidence a history. What part in the primary simuno a back here say currently as the chairman of the party, because right now the national chairman of the party is the Salakau. Salanenchieno or no the chairman of the party as we speak. Why chairman of the party? Who is the national chairman of the party? Mention, because the chairman of the party and the why the free party party and it falls on the fat legs of the Salakau. Inti the Salakau no or the chairman, the national chairman of the party. Mumianko tie asemi a wakanfa napo. Say befa napo and say napo and warning any messenger as the chairman of the party no odema baumia.
On the note of who to be the running mate for the
you see, New Patriotic Party will go by tradition. When Kufuor win the flag bearership in 1990, 2000, when Kufuor won the promise, 2000 promise, he went with Alhaji Aliu Muhammad as his running mate. And God willing, 2001, we won power. 2004, when Kufuor was coming, he maintained Alhaji Aliu Muhammad as a running mate again, and we won power. Again, 2007, when His Excellency, the former president, Nana Addo Dankwa-Akufo-Addo won to become the flag bearer of this party, he chose Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as his running mate. So, 2008, we went to election and lost the election. He maintained him as his running mate in 2012. He maintained him as his running mate in 2016. God willing, 2016, in fact, we have won power. So Bawumia was the vice president for Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. When we went to 2020 election, His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo did not make any changes. He maintained Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia again to be his running mate. We won the 2020 election. So today, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has become the flag bearer of 2024 election that we went to 2023 election with Bawumia. Bawumia wanted to become the flag bearer. He chose Dr. Maitu Prempeh, Opoku Prempeh, Napo as a running mate. We went with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Napo in 2024 election and didn't win the election. God willing, Dr. Napo was solely behind Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Wherever Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was going, he was campaigning vigorously behind Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So today, victory has also fallen on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's hand. So to me, as a third vice national chairman of this party, this is my opinion. I am strongly behind Dr. Opoku Prempeh Napo from Mahmoud Bawumia to choose him again to become his running mate for the 2028 election. Based on the history, I just give it to you. Based on our tradition, we never change this running mate. So to me, I am praying that if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is going to choose a running mate, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia should choose Napo to become his running mate. And I'm assuring Ghanaians that, inshallah, when Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Napo ticked pop in Ghana here, 2028 election, inshallah, we are going to win the election.
We're a political party chairman. The Nimu Basan who fin. No tan. Who fin. The Nimu Basa. The sim brown. Na motio mu fi free. The to when a national chairman now in the NPP. When I'm the party of Akrachi Fono. Salan and Chiwe. This is the Salah cow that is the national chairman of the NPP. Now, then, I akwawe ebubu brofu komu. They no Kenyan mami chechirimunche asante for ene eyeswame, especially PZ4. Yabusan say national chairman. Se si anu ni saying ye mole Bawumia as your flag bearer. Na Bawumia one na po enko asantini ba a otum votete no a ofri menhia enko anase onto nentwene. And also asababu say dey say wotwa fufuo a wode abo eye sala nam so eye nentwinam esa de abo sala mumu a ubedi we de wotwa eye sala mo e de ato eye sala nam so ni nyina ne say oso no de as the chairman of the party no obeso ma Bawumia ti bibia se omodi nkwasi adwuma aya nkwasi adwuma edidi atem abotu aya nkwasi ade de Bawumia abaye flag bearer biem na otwe Bawumia adwene akwa ekire se Bawumia nim party no sebio omabakwasem a or Tribalism party na bakwasem or started from 2002 or see ya papa Kufuor time ya papa Kufuor epese obedi flag bearer no or the obi to say Aliu Mahama, may he so rest in peace, one of the finest politicians in the history of Ghana, or say or the Aliu Mahama na koye ya papa Kufuor ya sa the Aliu Mahama eba 2004 ya papa Kufuor en change no. If you say, ya papa Kufuor who say Aliu Mahama on ne koye na amfa no or sad ne kobiema sebio de inkunimdie baba ya papa Kufuor de ne koye no na ya papa Kufuor de eko wini ye now say sa wo hwe de abakosemu a 2007 2008 ene de abozege de joining de abosoma ko tere no achechede Ekufuor o say Ekufuor ba no ena obefa wo Mahamudu Bawumia ofa wo Mahamudu Bawumia no ena ode ye ne running mate ena ode ko 2008 o say Bawumia ntie omudi Ekufuor de Bawumia we eko 2008 no Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuor achechede opo we wini na die na Ekufuor ye oma Bawumia another chance enya me na make abakosem no sala na ntwere na aka ne brofu na megidwam amaso amefo o say 2008 achechede no ana opo ode Bawumia kwa no Mahamudu Bawumia entumi ene na mfatumi na Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuor ampa ba osa frɛ Bawumia we biem esama Bawumia another chance say me do call first one amfa mesa de wedi mechia kɔ ɛna ɔde ne call 2012 ɔse Mahmudu Bawumia ne Akufo-Addo sa kɔye enso Ghana fo anto amomo Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ampaba Osama Bawumia the third opportunity as the running mate. And about 2012, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo achichiriye no ofa abozegidi nechi 2012 and omosa ekoye omokoye no and also a paskaye. 2016 and Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo sadi abozegi biem wa Bawumia 3 opportunities. Say yen sanko 2016 na yen sanko hwe osi okai Bawumia party na bakwasem the history of the Republic of the NPP party. And a Salan and Chie Kasano, Salan and Chie say 2016 Osama Bawumia the third opportunity Akufo-Addo achichidiano Odema Bawumiano enomuwini to me. Osi Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia esa babiem 2020 once Samba Bawumia nanka or another opportunity obetumi oforia taba obetumi gabiaba obetumi bedie tuaba obetumi krakoda na yiraba na se jankroma wini no enso Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo for any of these drug addicts the Akufo-Addo ye ne say osade Bawumia ba 2020 ebe wini elections anka Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo obetumi campaign tia Bawumia aka say what did achedodo. In fact, when the metia achadodo into 2024 there, anka yempe obi nanka ono de onko. That's Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo anyesa. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo nim say boni a obedi ye ne krono obeboy na ohia obi mana be gine mu no sane be ya no tuntwi. Into Osama Bawumia eye bibia botuo e make sure say wa manipulate primaries no e ma Bawumia wini 2023 primaries no. Ena Bawumia ekofa Napo ba 2024 say Napo enya wo running mate efri say ubu asanteman ubu otumfo ubu asantefo a emu dodo no to abama MPP se sebio ntwen nti sa wo de Napo kwa na wo te asanteman fo enim na wo kira asanteman se unye boni aye na wo kira asante se unye jimifo a onkai de asante aye nti asante nkai nti Mahmudu Bawumia e de Napo 2024 eco election 2024 Nyame nchade eyesem se jata John Dramani Mahama edi Napo eni Bawumia ti kwahwe ho ewini ye enti salakao NPP for national chairman say edien ne be chen se Bawumia ebe sign Napo akobiem every say so hwema ono Bawumia onya opportunity nkwan prensa na wako first one na woni nipa na ofree a stronghold nipa na oye otumfo nana nipa na oye dehye nipa na otumfo hwe in school no sa odi na ko first one na se wendi nkunuma edi nim tia na opese odi bu otumfo di bu asantefo a o sa be chanyi na pakofo bi enti salakao ono de o se party ni de omunyina di na pochi na Mahmudu Bawumia musio emmo no na onsesa ne nsankofo bi foforo ono de ogidisa party no empene so na ono oye nantwe kura mpene so a onim se otumfo ne asanteman adehye so empene so enti de na o ka kire Bawumia nyina ne se ono de oye party chairman now no party engineer bia ne se e wo se Mahmudu Bawumia e de Napo esako efi se ono nya opportunity no Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo e de ne komprensa adenti na asantini a odi mokodi nchini a party ne furu masha santimemu ne nananom ena yi omusika 700 pounds tete omumbo room edite party no ono ne mpanifo a omato abama party na abeduru ha mpempensoi ene nansia primary si asantefo dodo a omohwe na pon eto abama ono die ne beka wo Bawumia se obesesa wonsa no akofa nipa foforo bi se ono mom ena embedi party nim enti ono salakao a oye party chairman de o say party no so ogina party nanim sesi a yansesa ne de NPP no omo de Napo no mo pe Napo ne pe enti Bawumia musio mo no na osesa Napo a party asantefo so be kire no bosumi a yeduam eburo eno ena na salakao ka no mom premier yegirem it's exactly 5:51 p.m. US East Coast time. It's 11:51 in Ghana. Manchester United abo 1-1. Ma charge manesi still ya da Chelsea for him and the Chelsea don't make we are see drawing na still ya da wenim ai what for say you no bet afono no or the sika nyina bet ma ehia no and the crop frame manfa ne hu sika nyina asa obi be so age ne girl eguso obebre of say get ne wo kire be kire no so Chelsea yet krom ha what for say no They say I bet did this nyina. High sense so enye adwuma. They say on the phone ankasa krampo ebi wa friend na. Hello. But say chi. No what chire no. Boga bi ba be fan girl. Ultimate kan chire me. No what chire be chire no. Obenwu sa asase we so. Team fun support a obre. Now, mama ndwudwa de akanim. Ye wie yo. Ye gina mpipim. Hwe me paper no so. Ayema unim nsama wa ha. Mama take away ye wie we. Team, stay with me again. You got the next one. So, the next story is about Mahamudu Bawumia. And the Bawumia ye bibia. Ghana for bebre I shocked. Na ni nyina say, your party, your elections. Now you wie elections are. That is the time you bring everybody around. That is not the time say obetwa yampia. Obedidi ni party machere nkwara. Because you see, politics are very tricky. And we are to my bomb in the next 3-4 hours, that is politics. And whatever you say, politics is all about perception. Reality sometimes doesn't really matter. If you are not able to manage perception, politics, it will be gloomy for you. And so many politicians don't know, especially Mahmoud Bawumia. He does not still understand. Anytime I say Bawumia is not a politician. Bawumia is a joker. He is a comedian. He does not have that aura. Also, Bawumia Jinawa. There's nothing about him that excites you. They have tried to clean him up, let him walk in a certain way, speak in a certain way, laugh in a certain way. It is still not gelling because aura na a one it is gone. You see, aura. And I said, Adebi bless him Yankopon de mani pabia obiara ne de. There's something about me when you see it excites you. And there's something about you when people see it excites them. There's something about John Mahama. So when penasam cry, that aura excites you. And when God takes that away from you, or when you are short of that, you struggle in everything that you do. And that is what Mahamudu Bawumia is struggling with. And yet that aura, that thing that will make people see you and be like, you have something that at the end of the day, we all want. Bibi Sani Bawumia ho. Inti Bawumia ni sadia no. We expect Bawumia to be that kind of politician. Obe yusu na adwene. Especially the utterances are supposed to be on point. But one, uni aura. Two, you are not built to be a politician. Now, you are not also a good communicator. Then basically, you are basically running a party into a ditch. And that is what I'm seeing from my experience in politics. You see, politicians, Bebreno, they don't have everything. Politicians be a the negatives, endorse the positives. Politicians be a automatically. He's appealing to everybody. She's appealing to everybody. Hardly do you find those kind of politicians. John Mahama kind of politician or Tiano. Uyina, he's appealing to everybody. Obi okra onya the president, onfrini krumba, huna he just likes him. Nyamede man, no. There are some politicians you have to work on them for them to become appealing. And Bawumia is a typical example of politician or a force. You need to bring it home, you need to wash it, or so with the starch guso, or so iron in a certain way, send a beya, onam kroma empumpro. So there's a lot of work to be done on Bawumia. But a politician like Bawumia, he is supposed to be very, very eloquent when it comes to his delivery, his speech. He needs to be on point because the negatives no do such positives. He's not appealing. He is not a smart thinker. He does not basically attract any aura. Among for with chair. Into to say, Mahmoud Bawumia, there's a lot of work. I was say but he is also making it even worse because he still doesn't understand Baby Ojina as a politician and as a flag bearer of a political party. He is still not there yet. And the MP before Kotsra Bawumia won fie. Now, Kotsra Bawumia, something interesting happened. Bawumia kasano o make key comments be. And I tell myself, say, who are the handlers of Bawumia? And when I mean say, okay, if you have people like Akosia Menu, any Miracle Abuajimo, and those kind of aimless junkies, flat-headed individuals who know nothing about politics, so Bawumia kasa you wouldn't be surprised because me my politics match I have experience in politics. I know what can make a politician lose power, and I know what can make a politician win power. If I want to take a seat from you, I know how to go by it. And if I want to give you a seat, I know how to go by it. So we understand the game. We understand the politics. We understand how it works. Now, mumyanko tie ba omia. Na muntie asem yo kan. It's got to do it's got to do with a year MPP for na omo primaries. Kennedy Japan, a year Kobre Japan, Brani Champon country and on Wankasa. He was talking about omo kwa Ashanti region, dear or no, and in the party no, nyomo muhu ya na yo mosre. Let's go listen to Baumia. Miya mechewa debi.
But na sabi na ete no, na ye nipa enum na ye pie. Ye nipa enum ye nyina na obia so na nida. Ashanti so. Yes na obia na nida Ashanti so. Ebi mo ka say omufiri Ashanti by force. Yes Omuso omufiri ho. Ebi mo so ye tete me ha. Yes the members of parliament were honor. Bibiana Obiaka, but now Obia so names a media me Asantini Asanti Hene Neba Pregupe. And yes, Asanti Hene Neba Pregupe. And yes, Asanti Hene Neba Pregupe. And yes, more seriously, that's a air corner. I will ye who kakra. But now your name said a beco. Ashanti region no. Ohe Obia nini edaso. Ya so nini da. Ashanti so. Yes, na Obia nini da. Ashanti so. Ebi mo ka say omufiri Ashanti by force. Yes, Omuso omufiri ho. Ebi mo so ye tete me ha. Yes, the members of parliament were honor. Bibiana Obiaka, but now Obia so names a media me Asantini Asanti Hene Neba Pregupe. And yes, media me Asantini Asanti Hene Neba Pregupe. And yes, names a media me Asantini Asanti Hene Neba Pregupe. And yes, more seriously, that's a air corner. Na I will ye who kakra. And
yes, Hana, or the cotton binino, and then was Adia Bado. Ugo good new year, so bad, and Nasa, and then was Adia Baro. Sir, a binicasaro. So, new year, oh, Sadio me ba, oh, sir, and yes, I and then was Adia do Hado, a binicasaro.
The lives of the people of Usori na uko toilet uya obejari enyasa obejari Usori na uko toilet uya obejari enyasa obejari Usori na uko toilet uya obejari enyasa obejari
Already a birikasa there. But then let's go back to the issue itself. Now utie Baumia Tama MPP for code fee. Any asama oka. The inferiority complex. So we a tenia. So we a ceremonia. Apart from now, all try to insult Kennedy Japan. The opponents say at a point now opponent be by force. Some person we are for. He was talking about Kennedy Japan. At a point, who say the opponent be a person force you more santifo. Now, no minimum so no, or you 2 for back. So we 10 now umia. Do you see yourself in him? And with all due respect, I respect Asantefo. And I am always saying, say, you need to be proud of where you came from. It is not bad when people talk about a particular tribe and how they appreciate it or appreciate them. I don't see Asantini Ba, who has gone to Ashanti region to win an election, and not to even go to the northern region to win an election, and tell Omo Mutuwa se ono Asantini Bano, or yet Siremini Mampurusini Hineketwebi Eba. I don't see. Now, so we Sremuni na utie Bawumia. How do you see yourself in Bawumia? This is a man who, at the end of the day, on value on one kasa dimpo baby free. It's politics in tea. Today, he's forcing himself to be dear onye. And I'm not saying, say, it is bad to be a Santini. No, I respect me a woman Santimemu. And sometimes, but you see, when you see the inferiority complex and the way Bawumia is forcing himself on a Santifo, it tells you one thing. One, on one case, baby, he does not respect where he's coming from. He does not have that confidence to even let people know. Because, you know, you are somebody who now the tribal politics about Ghana. In fact, in recent days. And you see, when you get the opportunity to speak to Ghana for, now, you should be a proud northerner. You should be somebody who is proud. Certainly, do it here. In time for the rebel with Bawumia is because Bawumia they feel say or your tenity somo. They respect that fact, even though they do not disrespect Asantefono. They always feel say certainly na midine chia. I am comfortable, I am happy, I am bold, and at least people know say yes you the teni BH. But this is a situation now. The teni in your opportunity bia. He's running down who he is. He's running down where he's from. He is not even giving any kind of respect or some kind of relevance to onwani bebia free. Ni kuro mu hene. So even though hene ni aketwa kura, at least me a man prusi ni ketikete ne deshye. But this guy continuously, you can see say inferiority complex. No, he's even finding it difficult to associate himself. So oyeteni. So what's your language now? Now we are turning now to one hour about me. But you are the same person and now catch I say you're because we are turning. You are the same person telling us just a few months ago, say election of presidency in free it is never coming back to the north again. But today, every single opportunity obenye biano na or run it down on one kasa where he's from. And there's one thing I like about Santifo. It means tribe is a priority to them. That is why Omudru baby krana sebio asema mokano utum so mudifo utum so mutatro they still will try to hold on to ayoma santism because that is the only thing that they can hold on to make them relevant. And Bawumia so many times on your opportunity or he's even shy to let the people seated before him or following him to even have that confidence say where you're 10 years we are proud to say the 10 years. He is forcing himself to be an Ashanti or an Akan more than the Akans. Bawumia nya kani nchan Kennedy. Bawumia onya kani nchan Brandi Champon. Bawumia nya kani nchan country. Ena Bawumia nya kani nchan Kobne Japan. Omo ben akonya chen Bawumia 100 million times. They are recognized as Asantefo Kamfo 100 million times than Bawumia. When you get the opportunity to speak, especially when you've won an election, you need to be very deliberate in your language. You have to understand to say, not only a group of people will be free baby and also Sebio because at the end of the day, Mahmoud Bawumia is trying to send a message say, Bibi, we are turning to Semia. You always have to see yourself as a slave to another tribe. And I'm saying this advisedly because you see, you are Santifua. At the end of the day, they like Bawumia pa, and you was Sremufo Bawumia pa. But so yes, Sremuni. Now Bawumia is not proud of who Sremunino, cannot even call himself say, or you're the son of the land of Friso, and boldly to make those things. It makes you feel say, partner a woman, nipana midine chino, or no cry, is he confident enough in his own skin? Into Utie Bawumia speaking like that 10 years Antini, and by force to force, no, he see himself because of politics into Owunu so ya Kennedy into their Santism Ebedi Kennedy attempt indirectly, or their Santism Ebedi country attempt indirectly, or their Santism Ebedi Kobre Japan attempt. And at the end of the day, the people you are trying to undermine, disrespect, and make them feel say, oh, we are this because of politics. No, they are people. They revere them. They love them. They understand them. You cannot be this year more than Kennedy Japan as an Akan or as an Ashanti. Wontumi nya this year enchen edutum. Wontumi nya Asantini enchen eye Asantini ba. Inti for you, if you're a matured politician, I say, you move away from this kind of petty, childish, divisive kind of language, especially when the party NGO to say 100% they all want to follow you. You have less than 50% of the party following you. Now, if you have less than 50% of the party, you need to understand that you don't have control over the party. There are people who have shares and majority stake in the party than you. And these are things you need to learn as a flag bearer. I don't see myself seeing John Mahama speak like this. No, he will be very foolish to speak like this because he understands Ghana politics. He respects Onone tribe, every single tribe. But you see, he's not going to impose himself on a tribe to underestimate or undermine his own tribe. And that is one thing that you need to understand. Because man prison for they will die for you. But I don't see any Asantini die for Mahmoud Bawumia. Because at the end of the day, Sebio, a woman, ne a woyen, they are two different things. Belonging to me and belonging to us are two different things. And the way Bawumia is treading, his language, and it's or Kasano, you can see clearly say, he himself, he's not even comfortable calling himself so a tenny. He does not even want to associate himself with the Bampurusi people to even let Ghanaians know, say in Amitié. Into right now, no, Yamfro Bawumia Ajiman, Yamfro was saying, Mahamadou Ajiman Bawumia. Yamfro was saying, Oya can niche Kennedy. Oya can niche Educhuma won Asantimemu. Into Yamfro Mahamadou Ajiman Bawumia. Yamfro was saying, Who now hear the true Otum for son. Into Yamfro was saying, Mahamadou Ajiman Bawumia. Yamfro was saying, now say. And these are the fundamental things among which Bawumia is not ripe to be where he is. He still does not understand the position he is in. He's so flat. Now, he said something else again about tribalism. And because you see, Mahmoud Bawumia forgets himself easily. And Ghana for say, ya will form to say MP before. Listen to Bawumia, Muntie Bawumia. And I want to ask a question. Adentina Bawumia debiano or your mic. Why is he? What Munchen be a kuta mic mwana? Mahmoud Bawumia debia mic is a num. Debia mic is a num. Not to struggle, not tafreho. Why is Bawumia always looking at my? Is he gay? Because Ushe Tamokasana, Nanu to your mic, Nanu to him.
But Nasadi Netino, na ye nipa enum na ye tea. Ye nipa enum na obia so many da. Ashanti so. Yes, sir. Na obia.
No, as a presidential aspirant, Mike Tarabano. Obiji Mike not as an assassin. Now, or to say Bawumia or to say Kwawi. Bawumia is like this guy.
But Nasadi Netino, na ye nipa enum na ye tea. Ye nipa enum na obia so many da. Ashanti so. Yes, sir. Na obia ni da. Ashanti so. Ebi muka say umufri Ashanti by force. Yes, sir. Umufri ho. Ebi musu ye tete me ha. Yes, sir. The members of parliament were honor. Bibiana Obiaka, but now Obia soon names a media me Asantini Asantini Neba Pregupe. And yes, it's a media me Asantini Asantini Neba Pregupe. And yes, it's a media me Asantini Asantini media me Asantini 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 Neba Pregupe. And yes, Asantini Neba.
Baumia sana okasa Mike Mo. Yes sir. Now ubi president Mike Tarawa no tafre Mike ho. Ubi na sara ko kisi ba beifo Samira. Mike chawonum. Mike amanfo eba obi ba no de Mike ne hanki abefa ho obi wi bese Mike ho tant amanfo tutu dosio o so na tuawonum. Yes sir. And so no. Are you people sitting there? They na modi agwa we no. Who do not go talents idea we hu. Obi ko shane to, obi ko shane motiom na ekuta wotaro. Mike tarwa no wanu tuom. Wanu tare Mike who ye gay ana. De bia wanu tuom. Ade na wo pe because me hwesi bia wanu tuom Mike mu a.
But na sabi na tie no. Yes members of parliament wo hona. Bibiana obiaka but now obia so nim se media mi asantini asantini ne ba prekupe enyesa asantini asantini ne ba prekupe enyesa asantini 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 ne ba prekupe asantini ne ba prekupe enyesa asante hene ne ba prekupe enyesa
Obidum ye ba omia yi Mike ni fu onum na Mike ho tafre ya ode Mike ho kan na de bia taro no e de no we gay na Mike Tarwa no de bia I say o fi bibi ho adan are you gay? You gay eh? But are you gay? Because if you're not gay, no Mike Tarwa no are you gay? Baumia, are you gay? You are gay, right? Nan na Mike Tarwa no sa tafre Mike kan ko foku te to suguso a presidential aspirant. Na de bia tafre Mike we da ko kesi beifo no. Now, one not Taramaico who said Bini and yes, now Osaka send me Mumiako Baumia.
Can say MPP is not a tribalistic party? Major lesson now, and openness no more person painting into that corner. So, we are a crown party. And yes, sir, meaning your name who's in me. De na omuna ni ekui omuna ya kanfo mungu ana me ma brusi yesa ena motamechi ekile so yehwe mambuzi no ena edito aba yesa yesa o mambuzi me but motamechi yesa the second major thing I actually say yehwe osum na edito aba Mingwana na miye kramuni. Yesa, the America na na omuye kristo. Anka yedi some edit to aba. Anka montumbami. But MPP actually say we are not a religiously bigoted party. We are not a tribally bigoted party.
We are not a religiously bigoted party. This is Mahmoud Baumia. Oko Slim. They don't catch this for.
At what will benefit our people. Let's look at what will benefit our people. I have been selected partly because I'm a Muslim. So I'm selected because I'm one of you. I'm not representing myself, I'm representing all of us. So please support. Let us make a difference in Ghana in our generation. Thank you very much. What will benefit our people. Let's look at what will benefit our people. I have been selected partly because I'm a Muslim. So I'm selected because I'm one of you. I'm not representing myself, I'm representing all of us. So please support. Let us make a difference in Ghana in our generation. I'm a Muslim. So I'm selected. I have been selected partly because I'm a Muslim. So I'm selected because I'm one of you. I'm not representing myself, I'm representing all of us. So please support people. I have been selected partly because I'm a Muslim. So I'm selected because I'm one of you. I'm not representing myself, I'm representing
This is the same guy. who went to the north, met a Islamic, the cleric, in Penny 4, Imam 4, or catch them say, I've been selected to run because I am a Muslim. That was the message he was sending them. And the original Fioka say, hey, the party is not a tribal party. It is not a DND party. Bawumia is a double tank individual or a serpent, political serpent. Bawumia on kanukre. Bawumia diatro, and it is normal for him. And he forgets himself easily. You are the same person who was running around the nation, meeting Muslims and telling them you have been selected by the MPP because you are a Muslim, not because of your capabilities, not because of your intelligence, not because you are a unifier, not because you represent the unity of the party, because you are Muslim. And that was your message you were sending in 2024. Now today you tell us to say, I MPP no, and yet Tribal Bawumia is the most dangerous politician in Ghana. On Kanukre, the same as Neyirino Dinechino, Beifuano. They are liars. And you see, Bawumia was study MPP for no. Was study MPP for no, we said, do Jimmy. When we someone can kind, their highest form of education is junior high school. When we said the foolish masses, a lot of them they germinate from the MPP. And John Mahama said we have short memory, no? He was telling the MPP people, say, my anyway, chile. Man sheni ya ekufu ade de ma be di agro ba omiam de ma adwene be di agro mama wura mfi mo ho ntem. These are his own words. Amebo akyerew Mahmoud Bawumia okogada eye de imam for Islamic clerics eka kyerem say MPP select him not because me Bawumia o, not because I'll bring anything better to the table, not because I am exceptional in thinking, solving problems. They selected me because I am a Muslim into Mundimechi. But the people you were talking to, they are leaders of communities, and they are people who live with different tribes, different religion. They live with Ghanaians in harmony. So how can you just gather a year Islamufo, a year Islami Penifo, it is against their religion. It is against because Islam represents their peace. So how can you sell such a divisive message? Tell people because me a Muslim. Now, with all due respect, send them kremo focus on what about man kremoni. Na Christo ni kaso moto about my Christo dia. Or you send kremoni to my president of Ghana. No. But you see, in kremofo are smart. In kremofo na mwa Ghana no, they are not looking at where you are coming from, the religion or your tribe. They are looking at somebody who is going to help them, elevate them, move them away from the economic depression. Create opportunities for them. See them as Ghanaians, not see them because of their tribe or their religious affiliation. Mahmoud Bawumia is somebody who is a diabolic politician, very dangerous guy. Very, very dangerous politician. And you see, the good thing about social media today and the technology we have today, then they said, we can play back everybody's their receipts to them. And I'm showing you, I didn't say it. Where Mahmoud Bawumia statement he made. So don't sit somewhere else and say, Kevin time Bawumia. Every single statement I make about this guy, now make just say, oh yeah, true for on kind of correct. He cannot even manage his anger. These are some of the things. I don't hate Bawumia, but I can expose Bawumia and I'll keep on exposing him because on kind of correct, on MPP for instance, Jimmy, and majority of them you can see it from the way they talk. MPP ni kasa, no other crowd to say MPP ni Jimmy and Taranakuma ho, they are monkeyism. They exhibit the highest form of monkeyism in their level of a reasoning. You can see the monkeyism takes lead. It's about me way or mashe. Was study or mashe or do man antiache. When we say do the foolish masses are not intelligent. How can you say such a thing? Abra wankasa uko gada eye de instremufo inkremufo e catch them say MPP ni you. MPP ni you said the omenim because we inkremuni. Ba munafiki wo Bawumia ono monsa. You Bawumia, ono monsa, ono yire mono monsa. Corona da dem no fatness so esa onfasa eye ono monsa ensanka wano. And these are the kind of people we are dealing with in Ghana. They are munafikis, they are destroying lives. And obi to say eye Samira Bawumia or a Before. Samira a Before. And I'll say this every day. Or a Before. And that is what they have done for all these years. Bogus. The real Bawumia no, we will be showing you who Bawumia is. The desperation in his eyes. Because Nayira Kacher is a Wendy president a major. Say nipa kwa di ebe di president, we have to do it. Say di ebe ye di president. So Bawumia basically is a toy being manipulated by Bayfo Samira. And we Ghanaians as a country and as a Ghana as a nation, yen Jimmy is how. Now, Mumianko enim, Mama Chawa Debuha. Share Ponosono Eni Egigim. Egigim. And now, I said that pronounce is simple. Sorry, excuse me. Chairman Wontumi declares intention to contest for NPP's chairmanship role. I would like to say this today on this platform. Loud Silence Media, we have done our checks. We have done our survey. We have basically gone on the ground. So far, Open Platform are credible when it comes to polls. This platform, we are better than Musa Dankwa. We don't do polls we are not confident about. We give you exact numbers and it happen. I will retire Musa Dankwa. I have told Ghanaians and I'll do it again very soon. Musa Dankwa, I don't know. Musa, you're my guy, but I'll retire you. That's what I will do. And I want to exert my authority on the NPP, which I have done all these years. Now, Chairman Wontumi say, or call for national chairman of the NPP. Or say NPP ni nyina on the national chairman. And we have done our checks. We have done our survey. And I would like to tell you, NDC, we support Chairman Wontumi's decision to go for national chairman. I will say it to Mano. Reason here, your person to Mano yan can't choose here. Oh, we are. Because we see Omo contested Chairman Wontumi say he is the only person who is capable of making sure say NPP no baby I was say a jina no etume jina. Chairman Wontumi kwa betume discipline about NPP mu. Chairman Wontumi kwa betume di party nenim. I'm making sure say vote a party lose you know nipa enimonyama ye hia chairman obekuta no owobia obetum de sa enimonyama na ba ama Ghana for asabe di party ni chi. Chairman Wontumi any nipa sebio obetume ginger base no emomati say party we ni daso bi. Chairman Wontumi ene betuma ye campaign ewura fiefiem ede ni sika podio a support Bawumia ema party no asenye nimunyam biem. Chairman Wontumi ne betumi anante Ghana he nyina akire Ghana for say eye galamse ankasa ye no Ghana no eye ade bia na MPP for omudimu akotene a eno na abo omuma obeduru ha enti we support Chairman Wontumi. Ye pese the NPP me ekwamitie we have done our checks and we believe say the only person who can give power to Mahamudu Bawumia in any election in Ghana is Chairman Wontumi. Enti Chairman Wontumi there. There's a reason here I was saying about this is reason something about part 1. Oh, we need Prime Minister as the national chairman. Made that second reason be. But the first reason is now be the mamu enye. Say a probua omo contest national chairman ni nyina no. E dey na wo mo ho a e be ma Ghana for agi MPP edi. Chairman Wontumi has that. Omo nyina person omo contest e be national chairman of the NPP no. E dey message na ekuta omo a Chairman Wontumi ekuta omo no omo tumi aka so omo dey so Chairman Wontumi. Chairman Wontumi wo message. Chairman Wontumi akire say Mahamudu Bawumia time na oye vice president na one ne bokosua tafre onim anything na odin sika na hoden aboama Chairman Bawumia ewini flag bearer enti ya pese Chairman Wontumi no ya support no MPP for amohweme delegate for amo Ghana from the north, south, east and west moma ye nyina yamba together na yamfa tumi ma Chairman Wontumi na ombeye the party national chairman because you see Chairman Wontumi nipa bia okeka nipa Oma nipa awonhyehyeba party nim oma nipa enije oma eye de edom epu be di party nechi ofredom waye party adwuma ache Chairman Wontumi nya obi betuma sisi no Chairman Wontumi nim kasa onim de onim party no be bi efiri abeduru ha Chairman Wontumi betuma bo party no ho ban owo akukuduro a eba se yen bo party no ho ban a owo mranti a obo betuma di sa adwuma no be bia yedui MPP yen nipa bi a nani so ohye obetumi agma eyedien imabunu na mo party no eniso ayehia obetumi agitumi. It is a party here obia obetumi di enim as a national chairman Chairman Wontumi. So MPP ni fail to bring Chairman Wontumi, that will be the end of the party. And it's just not losing the power or losing the elections. The party is also going to disintegrate. Into one, choosing Chairman Wontumi as the national chairman, there are two things that ebeye. Ebeboa ama party ne jina. And secondly, so we lose the election okra obetume hold the party together still. Apart from Chairman Wontumi, obia ube yiri biano, se nyame ampa body na lose election and the party will disintegrate. And ye hear obi the Chairman Wontumi. Ye hear obia owaku kuduro. Ye hear obia sebio obetume jina akasama party no. Obia the nisu wase. Obia sebio NDC for chere bibi obetuma chere bibi. Obia sebio no ye krojin a obintumi fa bibi nsusu no. These are the part one reasons in here say you did to me and the party chairmanship and Chairman Wontumi. The second reason the make say motomani ria. The second reason is very important, and it's a reason Sebio Eyakukuomu Asema me pesa me catch that is after he has been made the national chairman of the MPP. And I cannot tell you the second reason. And this is coming from me. And if it is coming from me, you should know where it is coming from. In the Chairman Wontumi no, my mama first reasons in here, and the first set of reasons in here, I was say Momania regional national chairman. The day you vote for him, obey really to me no, I'll come on air the next day and tell you the reason why in here I was say Momania national chairman. No, I have a second reason and I will disclose it to you. But for now, I've given you reasons. Momiama Chairman Wontumi any national chairman. That is what Baumia wants. Mama for 2 minimano. Party delegates. Muntieme. I know what I'm talking about. Remember MPP card, and I know what I am saying. Let us make Chairman Wontumi the national chairman of the great NPP. The national chairman. Chairman Bia Meshanase. The Obekane de Beye Juma. Nyan said that it's no and then a party in the Bedia Juma. Say Yakope to me 2028. Ye Obia or Nimansa to say Chairman Wontumi. Nyan Sanimu do our politics him. Obetuma Kasama Obia Kuma Tony Yem, Obetuma CSC and some or what energy na in Melbourne Bediachre. Ye Chairman Wontumi. Na Jimu do or one answer. I to me Kasama ni patie. And anytime I say delegates, no, this is the time we need to make sure Chairman Wontumi becomes the national chairman of the NPP. Inti mamu me say adwene. Mamamu, the first reasons are first one. I will give you the second most important reason after you vote for Chairman Wontumi to make him the national chairman. The day I bet na the night no, I will tell you the second reason why I was say Chairman Wontumi a national chairman. Mama em fa some win diagro. Mama em play games with these kind of things. And MPP for TMA. Mun yi bibian ton chen Kevin Taylor de or criticize here. I am helping. Nye bi nimuno se mumudu do nima anka mubetie me. Make Chairman Wontumi the national chairman. Oduna also kasa party ni nyina gitum. The day beto aba the wie no make them the reason tia mo ye mo take the right decision. Mama mo reasons are first one. I'll give you the second reason the day of elections. Mutu ria. Na ye yini ria. Na mama mu reason tia. Mu take that right decision. We are endorsing Chairman Wontumi. We are supporting the election of Chairman Wontumi as the national chairman of the great NPP.
The NPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,